And here comes Keselowski to make it a three-way race for the lead. Gonna try and split the middle.
That's the only spot open.
3 wide middle. 3.
Wow, what a pass.
I tell you, that's some risky racing for some guys that have a lot to lose.
And we're in the final lap. A lot of folks talked about Hendrick versus Penske for this championship, the speed and the number of wins that those two teams have amassed this season. Here's the driver and team that won the most races in the 26 to get into the chase, coming to win the opener of the championship. Just as he did in the year he won the title, Brad Keselowski wins at Chicagoland. Now his 5th win of the season.
Awesome effort, guys. Thank you.
And again, 3 wide up the middle to take the lead.
Yeah, he certainly earned that, no doubt.
Brad Keselowski, our Goodyear Superior performer today here at Chicagoland. His star-spangled celebration after winning for the 2nd time in 3 years the opening race of the chase.